Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a thank you page for your Shopify store, so let's get right into it. Now, all stores on Shopify do have a default thank you page, which is accessible after your customers place an order, and it is just there by default, and you can change it slightly. Now, the way that you can change this before is you can go into settings, then from there go into checkout, and if you scroll down you will see the order status page additional scripts, and as you can see this has been deprecated, but you can add additional scripts here. And as you can see now, pixels are available and recommended over additional scripts for conversion tracking, and that is what you can use if you want to actually track it. Now, since this is only for tracking and additional scripts, that's not actually how to create a thank you page. You could use apps. There are apps on the store which you can use. One of them is called the Better Thank You Page. However, that starts at $10 a month and goes up, so I can't really afford it at the moment. But if you want to make a page and add custom code to redirect there, you can go into online store, go into pages, and then go and create a page from the option in the top right. Click on add page, and here you can just write the title as thank you, and you can add the content of your page over here. This will create that page, which you can then go ahead and customize in the theme options over here. So if I go over into my theme, you can also view the page like this, and as you can see, this is what it looks like, but it doesn't look like anything at the moment. But if I go into themes, you can then go into customize, and then you should be able to find the thank you page over here in the top right. We just need to create a meta object template as far as I know, or rather not that. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah, right, you go into pages, I forgot about that moment. You can create a template and then just write thank you, and based on the default page, so let's just choose that, click OK, and now as you can see we have the thank you page over here, which you can go ahead and edit to your heart's content. And once you do, you just need to redirect from the checkout to this page once the order is placed, and that should be pretty much it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.